Okay, so this is the second episode of the mechanical trading, like free course, or not course but mechanical trading, for those who are interested to learn. So if you're new to the channel, first of all, I'd like to welcome you and urge you like to subscribe to the channel, yeah, if you're new. So yeah, so on this video we are going to be talking about what you need as a to venture into mechanical trading for day trading. So the first thing I need you to do, if especially if you have been doing a lot of discretionary trading, or we have been doing SMCs, ICTs, no matter if you're break even profitable but you want to learn how to do mechanical trading, first off you need to like wipe out and come with a clean mind. Don't come here like trying to attack to find which one is better, like discretionary, mechanical, or trying to like to prove a point to yourself. I want you to like put your ego to the side and be humble enough to learn, because I did too, and I was able, like you can see I've gotten like couple of payouts. I usually pass programs with quite ease. I usually have a very high like success rate with programs. Like, remember my last program I did, I had like 8 payouts consecutively on one account, which I bought. I've only blown like I don't know, 2, and that was before I started like trading mechanical. So yeah, mechanical is not also like a get rich quick scheme, so you need to install that in your mind. Another thing, if you are day trading, you need to prioritize something like spreads. Spreads are very much important in mechanical trading because they can be the difference between success and failure. So if you don't have a broker, I have leave a link to brokers I recommend to you, so you can join if you want to, or you can just check them out. I'll leave the link there. So you need brokers with a very tight spread. The commission doesn't matter, because at the end of the day, I'll show you how we cover commissions here, but the spreads needs to be as close as to zero as possible. And the broker that I am recommending to you has the best spreads me I've ever seen. So another thing you need is like, yeah, I think it's just a broker. And anything else, I think, oh, you need to also, if you're new to forex and trading, you need to know basic like concepts of trading, like what is a pip, what is a pip value, things like that, basic information, what is margin, what is leverage. So also for that, if you want to support the channel, you can learn that for free on YouTube. But if you want to support me for what I'm doing, you can just click the link still below and check out my video. I have a video explaining like the whole beginner lessons of forex and also some other materials. So yeah, but those are majorly the important things. Apart from that, I don't think another thing, yeah, it's just that. Also like discipline, because you are going to work on the psychology. Another thing you need to do, you can have a notebook or somewhere to write what I'll be saying, but it's not that important. You just need to understand the concepts, because the concepts are what are important in this field. So you just need to understand the concept. Also you can take what I'm saying, then incorporate it with what you are doing, and maybe try to optimize your system or strategy and see if you can get the best returns. So another thing, I need you to have like realistic expectations. Don't come thinking this is like the holy grail that you're going to be doubling your money every week or every month. So have realistic expectations. I know you might learn like and see some things you are not able to see before, but I want you to have realistic expectations. Apart from that, I think also, oh, also if you are currently interested in like fully learning this mechanical and the trading thing, I'll suggest you quit trading whatever you are doing for now. Just pause it, then after you are done like watching the whole series, the whole videos, then you can be able to like to return after now. And also test that, have a demo account. So have a demo account. Once you understand the concepts, you can now go to trade live if you are comfortable with that, if you are comfortable with doing that. So those, I think, are the major things you need to consider. So trade, I show you trade on a demo after you learn everything that you're going to learn here. Yeah, and that's that for that. So see you on the next episode.